Hello, welcome back to Ella's Academy. We are still on solid meditation. We want to look into sphere. A sphere is a solid shape with a perfectly round surface. It's a solid shape with a perfectly round shape. Example of sphere are orange, short puts, etc. This is a picture of how sphere always look like. And how do we calculate the surface area of sphere? The surface area of sphere is 4 pi r raised to the power of 2. 4 pi r raised to the power of 2. Where our r is the radius. Where our r is the radius. While this x is our surface area. The volume. To calculate for the volume is 4/3 pi r raised to the power of 3. 4/3 pi r raised to the power of 3. So that is the way to calculate for sphere. So let's look into hemisphere. Let's look into hemisphere. Then we now solve example on each of them. Now hemisphere. Hemisphere is a half of sphere, and it is got by cutting our sphere into 2 equal parts. So how do we calculate for the surface area of hemisphere? To calculate for surface area of hemisphere will now be half of 4 pi r squared. Half of what? 4 pi r squared. And how do we calculate for total surface area when the hemisphere is curved? When hemisphere is curved, how do we calculate for the total surface area? So total surface area when the hemisphere is curved will now be 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared. Now you have 2 pi r squared here and you have 1 pi r squared here. By the time you add both them together, what you get is what we call 3 pi r raised to the power of 3. 3 pi r raised to the power of 3. Now, how do we calculate for the volume of hemisphere? The volume of hemisphere will now be 2/3 pi r raised to the power of 3. 2/3 times pi r raised to the power of 3. The total surface area when the hemisphere is curved. So we can cut it by curved surface area plus area of the lid. Curved surface area plus area of the lid, which is equals to 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared. So total surface area when the hemisphere is covered, sorry, not curved, covered. Total surface area when hemisphere is covered, is 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared, which is equal to 3 pi r raised to the power 3, and the volume is 2/3 pi r raised to the power of 3. So let's take some examples. So see this question on the board. A sphere has a radius of 8 centimeter. Find its figure 1 surface area, and the second one is the volume. Now solution. So solution, that is surface area. To calculate for surface area of hemisphere is 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared. So we know that our r is the radius of 8 centimeter. Then our pi is always 22/7. So from here we have 4 times 22/7 times our radius, which is 8 centimeter. So from here what we do now is 4 times 22 give us 88/7 times 8 centimeter. Then 88 our radius, sorry, our r is radius is pi r square, that is raised to power 2. That means we have 64. 8 squared, 8 times 8, 64 centimeter squared. 64 centimeter squared. Then next 88 times 64 will give us 5,632. 5,632 centimeter squared all over 7. So when we divide this by 7, it will give us 804.57. 804.57 centimeter squared. So that is how to calculate for the surface area. Now the volume, to calculate for the volume now, the volume which is over figure 2, the volume, so will now be equals to 4/3 pi r raised to power of 3. 4/3 pi r raised to power of 3. 4/3 pi r raised to power of 3. So from here we have our 4/3 times our pi 22/7. Our pi is 22/7 times r. Our r is 8 raised to power of 3, which is the same thing as 4/3 times 22/7 times 8 times 8 times 8. So by so doing, when you multiply 4 times 22 will give us 88 over 3 times 7. 3 times 7 will give us 21. 21 times 8 times 8, that will be 64. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 8 will give us what? 64. 64 times 8. 64 times 8 will be 512. 512. So which is equals to 512 times 88 times 88 will give us 45,056. Will give us 45,056. 45,056 divided by 21. So when you divide this by 21, it will give us 2,145. 2,145.52. 0.52. Now, what about our centimeter? Don't forget our centimeter here is raised to power of 3. Our centimeter here is raised to power of what? Is raised to power of 3. So by so doing, therefore, our final answer is 2145.52 centimeter raised to power of 3. So that's how to calculate for sphere. So this example is on hemisphere. A hemisphere has a radius of 9 centimeter. Calculate its curved surface area. The first one is curved surface area, which is equals to 2 pi r squared, which is equals to what? 2 pi r squared. So our pi is 22/7. Then our r, which is radius, is 9 centimeter. Then from here, what we have will now be 2 times 22/7 times r, which is 9 centimeter all squared. All squared. So 22 times 4 will give us 44. 44/7 times 9 times 9, 81 centimeter squared. Then 44 times 81. 44 times 81 will give us 3,564. 3,000 will give us 3,564/7 centimeter squared. Then when you divide it by 7, what we are going to get is 763.71. 763.71 centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. 763.71 centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. So now the next thing we are going to check is the volume. Is going to check the volume. So what is the volume? So let's do the total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area. So how do we calculate for total surface area? The total surface area is 3 pi r squared. Is 3 pi r squared. Then from here, 3 times our pi is 22/7 times r, that is 9 centimeters squared. Then 3 times 3 give us 66/7 times 9 times 9, 81 centimeter times centimeter squared. Then from here, 66 times 81. 66 times 81 will give us 5,346. We give us 5,346 divided by 7, that is centimeter squared. Then 5,346 divided by 21. Divided by 21. Divided by 21. What will it give us? Divided by 7. I mean, not 21. Divided by 7. So it will give us 7,060.71 centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. Centimeter squared. So the volume is 2/3 pi r raised to power of 3. Pi r raised to power of 3. So that is the volume. That is 2/3 times 22/7. That's our pi. Times r, 9 centimeter raised to power of 3. Then from here, let's do the arithmetic. By doing the arithmetic, 2 times 22 give us 44. Over 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 7, 21 times 9 times 9 times 9. That is 9 raised to power of 3. 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. So if you multiply the 3 together, what it will give us is 729. 729 centimeter cube. 729 centimeter cube. Then 729 times 44. Yes, 44 times 44. It will give us 32,0779. 32,076. I mean 32,076 all over 21 centimeter cube. Then when you divide this by 21, it will give us 1,527. It gives us 1,527.4. 527.43 centimeter cube. So that is how to calculate for the hemisphere. That is how to calculate for hemisphere. Thank you. See you in the next class.